Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off screen time without a passcode. For example, if you have recently applied the screen time on your iPhone iOS 26 and now if you have forgotten the passcode and now if you want to turn off the screen time, then how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here you have simply go to settings, and after that you have to look for the screen time here. And after looking for the screen time here, you can simply click on change screen time passcode. But you have to simply choose change screen time passcode, and if you are able to change the screen time passcode, then you will be able to turn off screen time passcode. So if you click on turn off screen time passcode, and if you do not know the passcode, then it will not be open. So you have to make sure that you remember the passcode. But if you do not remember, then there is option available, change screen time passcode. So here you can simply provide the old screen time passcode. But if you do not remember, then there is option that you have to provide the Apple ID account to reset the screen time passcode. So here you can simply provide the Apple ID, and after that you have simply click on OK, and after that verification will be done through the Apple ID password, and after that you will be able to change the screen time passcode. And after changing the screen time passcode, you will be able to change turn off the screen time without passcode. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.